In this video, we have to share an experience about Gen AI implementation in aerospace innovation and space technology. For the main core of this video, we will explain about the fuel optimization in generative AI invention. Recent technology or recent world, we have only occupied, almost occupied about the Gen AI concept, where it is any course section that will be in NCS stream or NCS stream. NCS means it's like a automotive sector or mechatronics sector or in the aerospace sector. Any section it will be fully occupied in generative AI concept. So now you have to share your views about Gen AI fuel optimization for aerospace sector in design thinking principle. Why you are choosing this type of innovation work and what is the empathy from there? You can share your empathy part from this for this project.
So for this project, we have been concluded many research papers, and we thought our idea that is we want to make a optimization in the fuel efficiency, especially in the field of aviation and the space, because most of the aircraft fuels or most of the aircraft and the rocket engines cause globally 2 to 3% of the global emissions. So from now, second will be the problem statement.
Mostly in this global, most of the carbon dioxide or emission from the aircraft sector. So we have chosen a tool to reduce the carbon dioxide emissions.
What is the ideate or any defense section from this view?
So according to that, we have like 2 to 3% of CO2 was released per year. We can conclude with that actually like about 85,000 to 90,000 billion tons of CO2 was released per year. Mostly aviation industries are the leading CO2 emissions. We can conclude that
what is that ideate part?
So the ideation part is we developed the ML model, and we trained the ML model with lots and lots of data sets with the efficiency factors. So after the process of training,
What is the ML?
we are using LST and predictive maintenance LM model, machine learning models. So those models can read through the given data sets, and it can automatically predict the next outcome.
This version is a fully free version or
Fully free. They are fully free. They are fully free up to the knowledge of developer. You can feed any data into the.
where you collected data?
We collected for samples. We used carbon. So from there we got most of our efficiency factors, and then we automatically create some of the dummy data, because at the initial stage we don't have enough data. So we use generative AI to create the dummy set of data to test our AI model. So at that time it worked very well. When comparing to
generated data from the AI, the data which relates to which aircraft or which aviation industry.
So we focus on Boeing, because Boeing is the major aircraft which people are using to transport. So we first plan to implement the fuel optimization in the field of transport aviation. So we focused on Boeing. We took a list of Boeing, and we took a list of runtime life times, and we took the efficiency factors of those Boeings, and we trained into the particular area. So after the completion of training, they can automatically identify whenever I put a route, like from Coimbatore to Delhi, if I put feed the route, the AI can automatically assess the fuel required for that particular distance, and it can automatically calculate the.
What is the final result for this design thinking approach? What is the in your project?
so it was a major revolution in the aviation industry. Like about we reduce 4% is nearly about 8,000 tons of CO2 per year we can able to reduce.
In future, how to adapt these technology into space vehicles, like rockets?
So next we are going to space vehicles, because more than in the space vehicles release more carbon when compared to the Boeing aircraft. So because but the only thing what we thought was space vehicles are using in a very long period of time. They are not frequently raising the space vehicles. But at the future, when the companies like SpaceX or ISRO when they try to make space as a space solution, at the time we implement our software into the space also. So
Okay. In future, we got to study a lot of empathies from end users and do a real type of project for users. Thank you.
thank you.